Today we'll be talking about how to put a logo on a shirt and change the color of the logo to any color you desire. So first things first, open new document on CorelDRAW. We are using CorelDRAW software. So we have a new document. Our paper size is A4. That doesn't really matter in this tutorial. So now open your picture. Open where you kept the picture. You might keep it in desktop or anywhere now. Bring the picture to CorelDRAW. Just drag and drop and it will appear. Now this is the picture of the clothes. I am satisfied with the color of the clothes, but then the logo I want to put on the clothes is what I want to look for right now, and the logo is right here in the picture. You can okay, this is it in Alisa Beauty Palace. So we bring it to CorelDRAW as well. Now this logo is a PNG. Let's take the one that is JPEG so that for the purpose of this tutorial. Now this is JPEG, it has a background. Now I want to extract this logo out of this purple background and put it on this blue cloth. Now what you do in CorelDRAW is you go to your bitmap, because CorelDRAW understands that this picture you have brought is a bitmap. So you go to bitmap, you go to trace, you either use quick trace, center line trace, or outline trace. We'll talk about it extensively in another tutorial. So today let's come here. You can come here as well and then just click quick trace. Reduce bitmap, tell it to reduce bitmap. Then CorelDRAW will trace out your logo for you, giving you something like a CorelDRAW format of it. So this is the original picture. This is what CorelDRAW gave us. Now it is looking almost the same, but it is not the same, because if you look here, you will notice that it did not give us all of the details complete. This is because I used quick trace. If you use another trace, like let's say I use a detailed logo, like I want the CorelDRAW to pay more attention to my tracing. Now let's see what detailed logo will give us. Then you say OK, and then you come here and pick up what CorelDRAW has given you. Now if you, let's take the close sideways. If you compare these two, let's zoom into this. It is almost the same. It is almost the same. Now if you want a better result, you keep trying, then you go for another one that is more like high quality image. Let's check what high quality image will give us. High quality image. Now let's say OK. Now this is going to trace it out for us. Let's wait and see. Wait for the cursor to turn black, then you have your trace. It is taking so long. And just wait. Okay, now there we go. We have it. Now we have it. So this is what high quality image traced for us. If you zoom in, you will notice that it retained every detail. It is complete. So now we can do away with this. We don't want it. Now click on your logo. Now we want to remove the purple background. So CorelDRAW traced it out for us, but it is grouped together. So you come here where it says ungroup all objects, or you press Ctrl U or Command U on Mac. So press that, it will ungroup it. Click on everything you don't want and just delete. Nothing special. Just click and delete. Click and delete. Then it is going to delete for you everything you don't want. And there you go. You have your logo out of it, and then you have your logo out of the background. The background is gone. You delete whatever you don't want. Okay, so now you can highlight the whole thing, change the size however you want, put it on the cloth you want to put it on. I want to put it on this cloth, put it on this cloth, and position it well. This is CorelDRAW, you can just do anything. Highlight the whole thing, bring it to the center. Now let's zoom into the clothes. Now this is what we have. Now I don't really like it because it's looking too dull. So let's change the color to white. I advise you use RGB color profile. This is CMYK. This is RGB. So use RGB. So you click on it, it gives you white. So as simple as ABC, our logo has gone from this to this in CorelDRAW, and we have used 5 minutes exactly. 5 minutes exactly. It is because we are doing it today, if not for the purpose of tutorial. If you are doing it on your own, you spend like 2 or 3 minutes, you are done. So now I've related what I don't want, highlight what I want to use, then I export here at the top of this thing. You see export, or you press Ctrl E for export. Then you save it with whatever you want to save it with. Let's say shirt logo. Then you save it as JPEG if you want, PNG if you want. But in this case, I want to save as JPEG. Save as JPEG. You click export, and then it shows you this tray. Then you pick RGB. Remember, we used RGB. So where you see CMYK, you change it to RGB. Wait for it, then you pick RGB color profile. If you watch closely, the color on the preview will change. Then you say OK, and by the time you do that, you'll be able to go back to your picture where the picture is saved, and you see your clothes. So let's open this now and see what we have. So this is what we have. So this, you can upload this online if you want. You can send it to. You can upload it online if you want. You can send it to a client for sample, for you to explain how their logo will look on their clothes. So that is that for today. See you next time.